Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best cordless ratchet wrench. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. If you're in the market for a reliable and powerful cordless ratchet wrench, the Duratech DT1050 stands out with a solid mix of performance, control, and convenience. Built with thoughtful features tailored for both DIYers and professionals, this tool is engineered to handle a variety of mechanical, automotive, and household tasks with ease. Product features: forward/reverse switch for quick direction changes. The Duratech DT1050 features a conveniently placed forward/reverse switch, allowing users to swiftly toggle between tightening and loosening fasteners. This feature improves workflow, especially when working in tight or awkward spaces, by reducing downtime and enhancing productivity. Variable speed trigger for greater control. Whether you need precise control or rapid action, the variable speed trigger gives you the flexibility to adapt. From slow, careful movements to quick spins, this feature ensures you can tailor the tool's response to each job's requirements, offering both safety and efficiency. Maximum 48 Ft-lbs of torque. With a powerful 48 foot-pounds of torque, this cordless ratchet wrench delivers strong performance for a range of demanding tasks. It's more than capable of handling stubborn, rusted bolts or high-resistance fasteners, making it ideal for automotive work and mechanical repairs. Built-in LED light for low-light situations. A built-in LED light provides clear visibility in dark or confined areas. This is especially helpful for mechanics working under vehicles or in poorly lit garages, ensuring accuracy and safety even in challenging lighting conditions. Ergonomic and easy to use. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Duratech DT1050 boasts an ergonomic grip and intuitive controls. It's easy to operate even during extended sessions, reducing hand fatigue and improving overall handling. Pros: quick direction change. The forward/reverse switch makes direction toggling fast and seamless. Excellent speed control. Variable speed trigger allows for precise or high-speed use depending on the task. High torque output. With 48 Ft-lbs of torque, it's suitable for heavy-duty applications. Built-in LED light, ideal for working in dim or confined spaces. User-friendly design, comfortable grip, and controls enhance usability over long periods. Cons: may be bulky for tight spaces. While powerful, the head size might be too large for extremely tight engine compartments or narrow corners. No battery level indicator. It lacks a visual battery level display, making it harder to monitor charge status. Single battery included. Depending on kit, some users may need to purchase an extra battery for continuous use. Final verdict: the Duratech DT1050 cordless ratchet wrench is a well-rounded power tool ideal for those needing torque, versatility, and control in one package. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned mechanic, its combination of performance-enhancing features and ease of use makes it a smart addition to any toolbox. Despite a couple of minor drawbacks, the value it offers makes it a standout in its category. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.